What has exactly happened? I heard a big sound when I was resting in my home. There was about 6:30, quarter to 7 in between. There was a big sound. Then we tried to contact people here and there, and we came to know that there was some sort of blast in front of Center Point new building, which we are standing right in front here now. The blast, the intensity was not very high, but still the intensity was there. Police has done a wonderful job. I, on behalf of Police Bazaar Welfare Society, thank the police department for their efficient work. And whole night they were working on and doing the investigation regarding the bomb blast. And till morning also the investigation continued till 2 o'clock. And at 2 o'clock the investigation was concluded and the road was opened back for the public to come in. See, our humble request is that there should be peace and tranquility among the different sections of people, and whoever are responsible for the blast should be booked under the law of the land and should be put behind bars. This is our simple appeal to the government of Meghalaya, that they should take up the matter on a very serious note, because this is a business hub and people coming from outside the state first come to PB, and if we have such things happening in the heart of the town, people will afraid themselves to come to the areas because of this unwanted situation which has developed. So it is our humble appeal to the government, kindly take the matter very seriously, and whoever is responsible, whoever may be, they should be booked under the land of law.